Welcome to Uni channel. This video, we're talking about PD charging. PD technology basically enables your device to take on more power in a shorter amount of time. Accessories that support the USB PD protocol use the Type-C connector as an output because USB Type-C has new features that the common USB-A connector does not have, such as support for double-sided insertion, support for stronger power transfer, faster transfer speeds, up to 10 GPS, etc. First, we need to know a formula. Watts equals to volts multiplied by amps. USB PD fast charging can be divided into 5 main power specifications: 10 watts, 18 watts, 36 watts, 60 watts, and 100 watts, with voltages of 5 volts, 9 volts, 12 volts, and 20 volts, and can be used with Type-C connectors of up to 5 amps current. Take advantage of the USB cable's ability to accept and supply 100 watts power. The higher the power, the shorter the charging time. Devices that support PD protocols, charging heads, charging cables, charging devices will communicate dynamically. Automatically adjust the maximum speed of charging that can be supported depending on the charging scenario. Power direction is no longer fixed. This enables the product with the power host or peripheral to provide the power. From the internal structure of the female head, we can see Type-C is unified into one shape. 24-pin design, and one cable can support all devices with Type-C terminals. 24-pin design. More interesting is, it can be overlapped after 180-degree rotation. You will find that if you flip the interface 180 degrees, TX1, TX2, RX1, RX2, the two-pair data transmission pin just opposite over. From the internal structure of the male head, which represents USB 2.0, 1.0, D+, D- line is actually duplicated. This is also the reason for the 22 pins on the male head. Based on design of USB-C interface, it supports front and backside insertion. Many of the most popular mobile devices, including iPhone and Galaxy devices, are PD-enabled. A universal USB PD will be able to power a variety of different devices, solve issue of compatibility. Why we choose Uni? Uni lighting can provide stronger and faster power transmission, which supports the PD protocol, provides up to 3.5 times faster charging compared to a typical cable. Secondly, it has adjustable voltage supply mode, ensures safe and fast charging. What's more, supports two-way power direction, charging smarter, also double-sided insertion, more consideration for users. At the same time, nylon braided wear is more durable and lightweight. To be mentioned, many people will ask why having a PD charging cable does not achieve fast charging results. We need to make sure that the connected device, cable, and charging head all support the PD protocol in order to achieve fast charging.